Welcome back to the Dirt Bike Rider channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting things in the world of enduro racing, the upcoming 2023 season, and in particular, Red Bull KTM Factory Racing's Josep Garcia. We will also today talk about the 2024 model and its advantages over the older model. I honestly can't wait to try the new bike in forest. Stay till the end of the video to find out the information. Josep is getting ready to kick off his 2023 racing season with a brand new 2024 KTM 250 Enduro model. That's right, the bike is all new compared to the 2023 model, and we can't wait to see how it performs on the racetrack. As you know, Josep is a former world champion who has shown excellent form on the 254 stroke in the past, and he's looking to add more titles to his collection this season. He has finished an intense pre-season of testing and training and is now ready to take on the first race of his 2023 calendar, round 1 of the Spanish Enduro Championship from A Coruna in northwest Spain. You must agree with me that the new KTM looks fantastic. I didn't like the look of the radiator and fuel tank plastics at first, but the more I look at this motorcycle, the more I like it. The KTM 2024 has incredible features such as a map select switch that allows the rider to choose between 2 different maps. The first map depicts linear power delivery, while the second depicts full maximum power. The rider can also toggle the traction and launch controls on and off. Garcia has taken a risky step by moving up to the highly competitive Enduro 1 category for 2023. He has spent the off-season training and becoming accustomed to his brand new KTM 2024. Before the beginning of the FIM Enduro World Championship, he will have the ideal opportunity to further hone his abilities by participating in this championship, which will feature a high level of competition. Because Josep has already demonstrated to us that a 250 is absolutely capable of challenging for the win in the overall Enduro class, we are extremely excited to see what he will be able to accomplish on his new bike. His ultimate objective for this season is to rack up victories and bring home the championship, and we have no doubt that he possesses the skills necessary to accomplish both of those things. With over a decade of racing and winning, delivering usable power throughout the rev range, unwavering stability at speed, and true championship-winning credentials, the 2024 KTM is once again ready to race and ready to win every race. The big news for the KTM 2024 is that it will have a new rear subframe made of plastic and aluminum. This bike will also have new foot pegs that are designed to be lighter and give the rider more control over the bike in all track conditions. The swingarm also received a redesign. The experts at KTM were able to save around 190 grams with the new design, which may not appear to be much, but every gram counts, and you can feel it when driving. The new design also keeps mud from building up on the swingarm. The airbox is also designed to provide the best airflow and to make it easy to replace the filter. It is quick and easy to service, but the most important thing is that the filter is sealed and that mud will not pass through it. You maintain complete control of the motorcycle regardless of how difficult and brutal the terrain is. That can be attributed to the new chassis design. The chassis is designed to ensure that the bike is perfectly balanced. The new rear shock absorber support has improved traction on the rear wheel and motorcycle stability. There are so many new things that it is impossible to list them all. A significant advantage for 2024 model is the ability to set your suspension without the use of tools. Everything can be done by hand. I believe KTM is the only company with this advantage, and that other companies will soon follow this design. Let me know in the comments if you want to hear more about the new KTM 2024 model, and we'll be sure to bring you the latest updates. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with all our latest videos.